So we kind of figured out there's two ways to stand out in your brand new C8 Corvette. One of them is buy a very bright orange C8, and the other one is bring it to vengeance for a pretty crazy package. In listening to this customer's requirements, he had broken down to us that he wanted something that had some sound presence to it, most certainly from a performance standpoint, wanted something with some instant punch to it. The guy does like to get involved with some car show activities, does like spirited street driving. Our main goal here wasn't to build him a race car. We wanted it to have good mannerisms and give all that. This package is a supercharged application. We started out with a Magnuson 2650 because the customer was starting to realize that, hey, this might be a little bit addictive. He had us reinforce the motor a bit more. We did a set of forged pistons, forged steel connecting rods to give us some strength. This also allowed us to knock the compression down a half a point, which will be beneficial for not only at the boost we're at now, but for a future boost. We also went for a set of CNC ported cylinder heads and one of our stage 2 camshafts, which drive really well and have a real good attitude to them as well. And we also did LT4 injectors, LT4 pump, and a DSX low side. So our fuel demands are very low at this point, and we have room for growth as he goes to the next setup. So one of the things that's pretty obvious with the C8 Corvette is the DCT clutch does not do a great job under high power. For that, the majority of our supercharger and turbocharger packages now all feature one of Datsun's upgraded clutches. This one has the Sportsman clutch in it because, as we talked about, this guy might be upgrading to some bigger power down the road. The Sportsman clutch includes a larger basket, which is what holds the discs of friction and steels together. We're able to add a couple more in there. We've also upgraded some parts internally under our own design that we have found to be flawed that we use in our builds. And this one has the Datsun pressure control box just to give us a little bit more push. But again, because this guy was planning on building some more power down the road, we just figured we'd get this out of the way up front. This car is a perfect example of a pretty well-balanced build. We met the customer's demands of what he wanted. The car made just under 700 wheel for a car that makes 430 wheel stock, so it's a pretty impressive package. We do try to listen to the customers and figure out what their real goals are. Not everybody's out there racing. This guy isn't, and I think we met his goals. Anybody that's interested in C8 products, packages, or a program, definitely hit us up. We're staying on top of it.